fix reposts notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix reposts notifications on Threads. So first thing, go to Threads, click on this icon, click on notifications, click on Threads in replace. Here guys, scroll down and click on reposts. So here guys, you have those three options from everyone, from people you follow, or you can click on off and turn it off. So here guys, you can fix reposts notifications easy and quick. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you on my next video.